Hi everyone, welcome to episode 4 of the Pro Series, presented by Metropolitan Floors. Imagine going back even 20 years and telling installers they could have moisture vapor barrier, cushioning, and noise suppression in one easy-to-use product. AMB 2000 is a remarkable underlay system designed for engineered hardwood, laminate, vinyl, composite core, and carpet tile flooring. Today, we'll talk about why you should use it and how to best install it. Let's start with why. AMB 2000 blocks 100% RH from below. It can even be used over top of newly poured concrete floors that appear dry but may have moisture of convenience. It's also an impressive acoustic membrane, boasting ratings of AIIC 60, Delta AIIC 26. AMB 2000 is cushioned to reduce foot, leg, and back fatigue. Vinyl or wood flooring can be directly adhered to the floating AMB 2000 underlayment, eliminating the need for costly double glue downs. Depending on the type of flooring on top of the AMB 2000, different adhesives need to be considered. Once the AMB 2000 is down, use urethane-based adhesives, not modified saline ones. Don't use AMB 2000 under any products with pre-attached pads. The floors could be damaged when walked on, and your warranty could also be voided. A product this versatile and efficient would amaze installers from years past. And if you use it correctly, you'll be amazed yourself. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and happy installing.